In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and create your very own Trello account. So whether you're new to Trello or just looking for a quick guide to get started, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and create your account step by step. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This is Trello's homepage, a place where you'll find all the tools you need to start organizing your projects in a visual and collaborative way. On the homepage, look for the option that says Get Trello for free and give it a click. This will lead you to the sign up page where you'll begin setting up your new account. Now it's time to enter your email address. Choose the email you'd like to associate with your Trello account. It could be your personal email or your work email depending on your needs. Once you've entered your email address, you'll see a button labeled Sign Up, so go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. After signing up, Trello will ask what brings you here today. Feel free to select an option that best fits your purpose, or simply click Skip if you'd like to bypass this step for now. It's merely a way for Trello to tailor some of its features to your needs, but it's not mandatory. Next up, you'll be prompted to name your first board. Think of a board as a digital workspace where you can organize all your tasks and projects. Give your board a name that's meaningful to you, something that will remind you of the board's purpose every time you see it. Once you've named your board, hit the next button to continue. Trello uses what are known as lists to organize tasks within a board, and they'll ask you to create a few to get started. For simplicity's sake, you might want to start with a basic structure like to do, doing, and done. Name your lists accordingly, as this is a great way to keep track of tasks from start to finish. Click Next each time to continue until your lists are all set up. After creating your lists, you'll be guided to name your cards. Cards are basically the individual tasks or items that you'll keep track of within your lists. Set this up as you'd like, then click Next to move forward. If you plan to work with a team, Trello offers you an option to invite team members by entering their email addresses. You can choose to skip this step and invite people later if you're not ready just yet. The final piece of the setup puzzle is verifying your email address. Check your email for a verification message from Trello and follow the instructions provided. Once that's done, head back to Trello where you'll be prompted to enter your name and set up a password before clicking Continue to finalize your account creation. And there you have it, you've successfully created your Trello account and laid the groundwork for organizing all your upcoming projects. Feel free to explore the board, add more lists or cards, and invite team members whenever you're ready. Welcome to your new project management world.